All right, welcome back to the Corvette experience. Today we're headed to Cars and Coffee. We're picking up two 67 Corvettes and a Z4M with our buddies, and we're gonna swap out this car for a whole new experience. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, heading over to Cars and Coffee. We picked up a different car. Right now we're in a Z06 C7. All right, so trying to give a good sense of what it really is like to drive this car. The seats are really well bolstered. They really do hug you, more so than any other Corvette that I've been in so far. When I was in the C8, I really couldn't tell if the bolstering was going to be the same or better, but probably similar. The steering is tight as you would expect. Everything that you need, which isn't much in the cabin, is right at your fingertips. And so everything is well placed ergonomically. But that's not what this is all about. This is all about really three parts of the car. The gas pedal, your foot, and the engine. So another couple things that you might want to know while driving this car is that you can see the front of the car where it dips down. It gives you a really good sense of the road. So you have a good driver to road feedback loop with this car as you would want and expect, and they've gotten it right with the C7 Z06. And this happens to have the Z07 package. Otherwise, you would think while you're driving this that if you're not getting a bit sporty with it, that you are in just a nice, really well put together car. Here we go. Make sure you're above there. There you go. Now, what you'll know about the C7 though is it's not naturally aspirated, it is supercharged. So the experience you're going to get out of this car is going to be completely different than the C8 naturally aspirated. Most powerful V8 to hit the road. Because if it's light blue, that ain't
With the black thing, and then how the bumper is, the gas prices are so high.
Yep. Porsche Club is here. Lots.
Punch burrito, punch back.
Ow. Nice job. Seen a lot of Turbo S's here today. You probably won't see one of those here. So we got some 914s, considered not really a Porsche, but some of them came with a 6-cylinder, which would be the one to find to see if they have a 6-cylinder here. Yeah. Nope. I know.
Oh, Orlando, yeah.
No 6s. Target Turbo. This is the one I would want. Cool. Target Turbo, 1980s. Yeah, the bulls are out. So we have Aventador, Berta Roadster, Aventador Roadster, Hurricane. This might be an STO. Or, let's see here. So Hurricane. This is the LP610. Nice arrow on the LP610. Jarl Auto.
The fucking gulag, you know?
Yeah.
Vehicle. Let's see if it's a real or a repro. Might be a reproduction. 1600 super reproduction. Looks great.
They did a great job on it.
Good looking spec.
Rotary engines. So, how normal?
No, that's where you still get into the whole order to work.
Yep, it's official. We've got every car that's ever been made here. Okay, I've got myself inside the 1967 convertible, big block. It's not an original motor, it is a swapped motor. Just listen to it. It sounds amazing. Hope you enjoyed the ride. So what does it look like and feel like to drive with a Stinger hood? There you go. Unbelievable view, huh? Keep driving. We didn't know, we just found out. Alright, I want you just to listen to the exhaust. So in comparison to the C8, C7, and now this big block swapped C2, they all give the same exhilarating experience of driving it. None more, in my opinion, than C2 with an exhaust note like that. Yeah, it's about going fast. I think it's more about going quick and looking good while you get there. In all three examples, you get there looking just fine. But for me, a mid-year Corvette has an arrival unlike any other car, including Ferrari, in my humble opinion, Ferrari. This concludes our Cars and Coffee trip. Thanks for tuning in. Please do subscribe. And if we didn't know, we just found out.